Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Monatology. It's been a long time and I hope you guys have a great New Year. Our topic for today is about Jokoy, the Filipino-American comedian na nag-host sa Golden Globe Awards. So, medyo naging controversial yung kanyang pag-host and I would say I'm not happy sa mga commentary ng mga tao against him na parang masyadong binabash si Jokoy, no? I'm a fan of Jokoy anyway. But in fairness, di naman talaga masama yung sinabi niya, yung mga joke niya. Actually, mas marami pang offensive na mga American comedian skit nila, no? He's not only Jokoy, pero probably because he's not well known to many yet dahil yung kanyang pagsikat ay talaga namang parang very like sudden, yung in a span of probably few years bigla siyang sumikat ng sobra and lahat ng yung mga Netflix series niya, yung mga standard comedy niya ay talagang kumikita. And talaga namang ang daming humahanga sa kanya at marami siyang pinatatawa. So it's a pride of Filipino, pero nakakagulat lang yung marami mga Pilipino na binabash siya. Guys, kasi yun ang problema sa ating mga Pilipino, no? Yung parang like, pagka nanalo or pagka sumisikat, we are so proud of being Filipino, we're so proud of them. Like yung sa mga Miss Universe. And then pag natalo, parang unang-una tayo ng babash and tayo yung mga unang-unang critics na wala naman sa lugar. So nakaka-dismaya lang yung ibang mga Pilipino how they have this crabby mentality. Sabi nga, parang kaya talagang yung marami mga Pilipino bihira yung mahirap umasenso yung mga Pilipinong mahihina ang loob kasi kung sensitive ka talaga sa mga Pilipino and gusto mong umasenso and then may mga taong critics na gusto kang hilahin pababa, talagang manghihina yung loob mo. Kasi yung ibang mga lahi, instead na hilahin ka pababa, they are trying to encourage you and give you praises and encouragement nga na you keep on doing it kahit na hindi ka masyado successful and you still have a chance for improvement. Pero yung mga Pilipino hindi ganun ang mga ugali. So, nakakairita lang, no? Meron pa akong nabasa na isang article na yung nagsulat ng article did not even dare to research kung sino ba talaga si Jokoy. And she was saying like, Jokoy is trying to imitate the American accent. Jokoy was all the Filipinos, the Pilams that was born here has an American tongue. Hindi kagaya ko na dito na manda sa Pilipinas and then move here and we cannot imitate that American tongue. And Jokoy obviously has an American tongue like any other Filipino-American who was naturally born in the US. So bago tayo mag-criticize and mag-accuse na something like Jokoy is imitating the American tongue, mag-research muna tayo bago tayo magsabi ng gano'n at mag-bash. Yung isa ko pang comment doon sa sinasabi nila ng misogyny si Jokoy just because he made a joke about the Barbie doll who had the big boobs, plastic big boobs actually. And ginoke niya rin si Meryl Streep at si Taylor Swift. Sa totoo lang, very light lang naman yung joke ni Jokoy, it's not really offensive. And as a feminist, guys, feminist din ako I really don't like when men are like saying bad words against women and make fun and ano bang masama doon? Totoo naman na si Barbie, ang Barbie doll ay talaga naman plastic and with the big boobs. And walang masama doon, no? It's very light joke. So I don't know why it became like parang napakasama na nung sinabi ni Jokoy. So, minsan iisip ko rin, is this because Jokoy is Filipino-American? Kasama ba dito yung parte ng pagiging racist ng mga iba dyan, ano? And is it also dahil hindi pa siya masyadong kilala and hindi alam kung ano talaga yung forte niya sa bilang pagiging comedian? Actually, kung misogynistic si Jokoy, actually, hindi niya bibigyan masyado ng pansin yung mga kapatid niya and yung nanay niya. And actually, I find Jokoy as like a mama's boy, ano? Kasi kung hindi ka mama's boy, you're not gonna make your mother like a topic of your joke. And now the mother was very famous, you know, and dahil nga doon sa mga joke niya, and like doon sa mga skits niya before na matanda na siya. I mean, not matanda, he's in the right side or in the right age already, and he's still living in her mother's basement, you know, while the rest of her sisters were already like very independent. So ganun Jokoy is a very typical Filipino son na masyadong close sa nanay, ano, kasi nga although ang Pilipinas has a very patriarchal society, ano, pero yung mga kalalakihan, sa totoo lang, ang dami-daming mama's boy, and I think I'm sorry to say, but Jokoy is one of them, I think, dahil talagang I feel his love for his mama, ano, sa nanay niya. So yun po ang aking vlog for today, and please stop bashing Jokoy because he's just trying very hard, and for 11 days or 10 days preparation, he's not bad at all, and it's a very light joke, and let's give him another chance. And sana doon sa mga nagsusulat and laban kay Jokoy, magbasa muna kayo, mag-research kayo, panoorin nyo muna yung video bago kayo sumakay sa issue, kasi napaka-irrelevant ng inyong mga sinusulat. Yun lang po, and have a great day and Happy New Year. Medyo late na, but please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po kayong updated sa Monotology. And by the way, I'm already writing again, and please follow my Baltic Republic sa wordpress.com. Okay po, maraming salamat.